In this video, I will show you how to find my Steam Trade URL. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to jot that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently on the Steam app. Now the steps are the same if you use the web-based version of Steam, so follow along with me. And the first thing you're going to want to do once you've logged in, come up to the top left hand corner and just click on your name up here. So that's going to take you across to your profile screen, which will look like this. Now, if you come to the right hand side, and what you want to do is scroll down slightly, and you're going to see an option here called inventory. So if you go ahead and click onto this, and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. From here, you want to come up to the top and you should see a blue button saying trade offers. So what you want to do is click here. Then what you need to do is come over to the right hand side, and if you look down, you're going to see here where it says who can send me trade offers. If you go ahead and click onto this, and on this page at the very bottom, you're going to see your trade URL just down here. So what you can do is click onto this and then right click and then click copy, and that is your trade URL. What you can do is share that URL with other Steam users to allow them to send you trade offers, even if they're not on your friends list. So you can share this wherever you want, including on third-party trading sites and the Steam community groups. Now, if you want to stop receiving trade offers on this URL, you can actually go ahead and create a new one by clicking this button here. So all you need to do is click down here. What it's going to do, it's going to come up with a pop-up saying create new URL. Creating a new URL will make your previous URL inactive, and any shared or posted links will no longer work. And then all you want to do is press the green button to set up a new URL, and of course this will replace your existing one, so you won't be able to receive any trade offers on your old link. So that's how to find my Steam Trade URL. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.